Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Before we begin, I did want to make you aware we are now partnered with MEXC, absolutely incredible exchange, and as you can see here, offering a big 20% rebate on trading fees, which is a really big deal when you're doing a lot of trading. And you can see quite clearly here, we've got some big sign up bonuses for getting deposited, signed up, depositing and trading on the platform. Tons of bonuses, so make sure to check them out. Link will be in the description. Go down there and sign up and take advantage of those bonuses now. So we're going to take a look at Polygon then quickly for a daily update here. As we can see, looking like we're getting a little bit of relief over the past few days from this 50% area of the range that we've been in. You can see pretty clearly in a range since we've come down to this tariff dump. Trump pump, tariff dump, Polygon losing bear market support, massive move to the downside, coming into this area of consolidation, slowly looking like we're getting more and more bullish here, as you can see. And right now Polygon looking like basically it's trying to bounce from this 50% of the range. Bitcoin doing its absolute best to chop the altcoin market to pieces. You can see on the hourly time frame here, looking really solid, to be honest, but Polygon are having absolutely none of it and not really bouncing at all. Altcoin's looking very weak at this point in time compared to Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin here has basically come up, smashed through these two massive fair value gaps that were previously last week holding down prices. You can see looking like we are reversing back around through these gaps here and looking like we are flipping bullish, respecting these bearish fair value gaps here as support, whereas disrespecting these bullish fair value gaps as resistance. Looking basically like we are coming back, ripping through these order books and just going back to the upside, ripping through these stop losses along this trend line liquidity as well, as you would expect. Bitcoin here looking absolutely textbook, like it's reversing back around, but the altcoin space lagging behind. You can see here Polygon really struggling right now, and we're going to need to see our altcoin space picking up and getting more lively soon, because Bitcoin's probably going to go back to all-time highs judging by this momentum, I would say, and we need to be seeing the altcoin basket here clearly pushing up to a new high like this. Otherwise we could get into a situation where altcoins are just doing not very much like they have been the whole cycle, even though it is concerning that we have got pretty much all-time highs for the altcoin basket. But a lot of our altcoins are really struggling right now in general to get a bounce with Bitcoin over the past few days. If you look across the market, altcoins looking pretty flat right now, despite the fact that Bitcoin is actually moving up quite strongly here. We've got two like $2,000 candles in a row to the upside, which is obviously quite bullish. And you can see here we aren't really getting that much of a reaction from the altcoin space for Polygon, so we're gonna have to wait and see what happens next. Hopefully Polygon can get the bounce we're looking for, but right now just waiting on that altcoin basket to move. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.